What's up everybody, Excel Dude coming at you again. Today we're going to talk about mail merge and how we can do it specific to labels. Let's say we have a bunch of items, we need to create a label for them. They have a unique number, so in this case gauges. Who knows how many we have? Right here it would be 32. But let's say you have to do something like I need to do every year with between 550 and 700. It can be a pain. They've got different companies, different install dates, expiration dates. We have the data here. We just want to get it onto a label. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, bottom right hand corner there, and we'll keep cranking out stuff like this as much as we can, and yeah, leave me a comment with anything you want to see specifically. So we've got our data set. This data set here, all we do, we save it. Great. Then we open a Word document, and it'll be a blank one. Doesn't matter, you could have a template, who knows, but you don't need one. We open it up, it's on Home, blank, Document 1. Click this Mailings tab. Then right here, Mail Merge Wizard, start the Mail Merge Wizard. Go down here, step-by-step Mail Merge Wizard, and we're about to become Gandalf because this will, like magic, fix everything for us. What do we want? Usually it defaults right here to letters. Click Labels, and that's what we want. We don't want envelopes, we don't want email messages, a directory, nothing like that. Labels, yes. Next. And what do we want for the option? We can select a starting document. There's different layouts there. We can have a previous template. We're going to use a previous, or what the defaults are. Label options. And if you're like us, we'll use Avery. So we have certain ones here. This looks approximately the correct size for what I'm looking for. Let's say that is the right one, but you can just change it here. So we've got 3/4 of an inch by 3¼ And there it's, again, dimensions change, and so on. So we'll go here, hit OK. It's going to set it up for us. Then we're going to select recipients. Next. We're going to use an existing list. This would be, you can do it this way, you can do it from Outlook contacts, things like that. We're just going to browse for a file. It's on our desktop. Labels. There it is. Hit OK. Here's all the stuff we have, all 32, and that was that data we looked at previously. So we'll hit OK. We just want to make sure everything we want is checked. We can change things here. We can filter it, sort it, however you'd like. So you can sort by different areas, prefix, the gauge, company, and so on. Then we'll go, you can if you'd like to, but we're just going to keep it default right now. Hit OK. And we have a record, the first record, next, 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 next. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. It keeps going. Then we will go to, let's see, arrange the labels. You can do this if you have columns that are labeled address block, greeting line, things like that. It'll pick them up right there. Usually you're going to have to do more items if it's a little more custom. We decide what we want. There are the address fields, and these are the standard ones. So if you label your columns like this, it'll pick them up pretty quickly and usually do a really good job of identifying. In this case, the data is a little more unique. So I want this one. I want that one. That one. We're just going to insert all of these. Nothing too crazy. Probably match fields, but we'll insert them just for the sake of doing it. Close it. And we don't have to do that for everyone. That's going to suck. Update all labels. There we go. And now we're going to preview those labels. So you see we have that gauge number, 100 Eastern cities, and so on. But we don't like how that looks. So we'll go here, add a space. Maybe we want to just change the lines. We can do that. Add a space there, add a space there. You see that that's our outline of the gauge, or outline of the label. And we can also previous. We've arranged it. Update. So now these ones match this, or match this. Go back to the next one. And there it is. Everything is done. That's awesome. So if we wanted to print it, we would just do complete the merge. We would go print. All, you can do certain ones if you want. And that's it. You'd have those labels you would just insert in the printer. And it would automatically update that for you. Print them out. You can peel them off, slap them on there, and get on with your day. Save yourself a few hours, hopefully. Maybe even a few days. That's it for me. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, please do. And I'll see you next time.